Welcome to the EdbMails Remove Duplicates from Exchange Server, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Exchange Duplicate Remover lets you easily remove duplicate emails, contacts, and calendar entries from on-premises or hosted Exchange mailboxes. Choose how to handle duplicates, move to deleted items, soft delete, or permanently delete, using smart matching based on Internet Message ID, unique tag keys, folder type, and fields like subject, sender, dates, names, and phone numbers. EdbMails accurately identifies and removes duplicates without affecting your original data. Keep your mailbox clean, efficient, and clutter-free. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to remove duplicate emails from the Exchange server using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Remove Duplicates from Office 365, Exchange, IMAP. Select Remove Duplicates from Exchange Server Mailboxes. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Select the required options and search criteria. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the source Exchange server details. Click Login to continue.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes.
Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes, folders from which you want to remove duplicate. Click Next to continue. Click Start. Remove duplicate operation under progress. Remove duplicate operation completed. Click View Logs button to get operation report. That's it. For a hassle-free Exchange duplication process, visit edbmails.com today.